when we are graced by truly brilliance, we keep the brilliance in the studio in the form of a 13-year-old Tarek, who is a baker. So we're happy you're going to stick around with us because we're going to attempt to make caramel apples after Matt finished
This is
eating your
fantastic.
masterpiece.
Well, I just had to sample it because his mom said, wait till you try it.
Pretty
it's
good?
Off the charts good.
Thank you.
It's so fantastic.
Good.
Thank you. Everything from the cake to the buttercream. I'm sorry, though. We have much work to do. Go
Yes,
ahead. Go ahead.
we are going to attempt to make caramel apples. Now this is probably going to be a little interesting because you all know that Matt and I are not the best cooks. Tarek is,
Yes.
but he's never made caramel apples before.
I can't-
Really?
I've never made them before
Fantastic.
because I have braces and I can't eat apples.
I get it. I was there for
point.
about 4 years with
Good
you.
point.
So we are going to put all of this on our website. We got it from All Recipes. We need 6 apples. We have
Got
that.
that.
A bunch of caramel.
Yes.
And we're
Or
putting
caramel.
it, caramel, whatever you call
Yep.
it. And then you put in the milk.
Dumping in all of this milk, right?
And we're going to have to go ahead and start microwaving that.
Yes.
And friends at home, look, we put
put
it
it
in
in.
microwave
You want to put it in?
Okay.
You
So
put it
that's
in there.
good for us.
I'm going to go help him, and then you tell
Okay.
him what's next there.
Perfect. So
put
that
that
goes
in
in the
there.
microwave for a
Isn't this
minute,
plastic?
and then they are going to
Hit
stir
the-
it up.
Oh, no. You know what?
Not tall.
Is it too... Oh, I thought it was going to be
it's
too
too
tall.
tall?
It's like this far from being too tall.
Okay.
Oh,
Good. We're
that's
good.
so good.
The only other
hit
thing
the
we have is
close.
metal bowls, so we really can't make any trade-outs.
Yes.
So they're going to go ahead and microwave that for about a minute, then they're going to stir it.
Okay, it's
and
there.
while they're doing
that.
that, we need to remove the stems from the apples, and I will let
Okay.
you guys do that.
All right. Ooh, these are cut pretty short, so
I know.
I don't know. We may have to
Wait.
cheat a little bit.
And then after you do that, we are
this.
going to put a popsicle stick right in the middle.
Okay, I know. They're so short, I can't get it out. I'm glad to know that the professional chef can't do it either.
Oh yeah, these
So
have
we'll
all
just-
been like cut down.
Well,
Awesome.
so we'll skip that, and we'll
All
just
right,
shove
just shove it in
right
anyway.
there.
That's what we do here on
That
Great
gets her
Taste
done,
St.
right?
Louis. Uh-huh.
Yep.
We also need to go ahead and butter a baking sheet, which I have a feeling
is
someone's going to come in my ear and say, you don't need to butter it.
Well, I think that's why they put the parchment paper
Okay,
on there. So
perfect.
hopefully
Yeah.
we won't have to.
Great.
Is that right? If we have the parchment paper, we don't necessarily need to grease it?
Exactly.
Okay.
'Cause
Perfect.
it's
Thank
parchment
Thank
paper.
goodness
I
you're
like
here,
that.
Tarek. Dear Lord.
We have 10 more seconds,
Okay.
and then
all right.
the caramel is going to be a minute done.
So you
Oh,
keep
that was-
working on the sticks for the apples.
was
and I'll go
easy.
get this.
That
'Cause
one went
it's-
in very
Really, this
We
has to go
keep
for
it
2
easy.
minutes.
We're not the baking extraordinaires like you are.
No,
Don't make us
these
look
apples
bad.
just like stick in really fast.
Yeah, perfect. So Matt is going to stir
Yeah,
that.
oh my
It goes
gosh.
in another minute.
Yeah, I know,
Okay.
but I'm supposed to stir. This hasn't melted at all, so I'm
Okay,
hoping that
good.
it's the
Like
second
chocolate.
minute.
This is
where
going
the
well.
real Well, that's
like
good and
ganache.
stirred, so
Put it in another minute.
Yep.
Perfect.
More time in the microwave.
More time in the microwave.
So we're going to do that, and in
Yep.
theory, think that it melts, although it appears that it might not.
Hope it does.
I hope it does too, because once it does melt, we pour that on the apples, which can go right here.
Yes, we would kind of pour it all in here and mix it up, and then basically all you're gonna have to do
Is dip it in.
take the pre-stuck apples, dip it in there, get a good coating, and then put it right on the baking sheet.
Yes,
Right?
in
fine.
theory, that's what you do. And then you let it set. How long would we have to let it set? Like
Putting them on the
10
spot.
minutes?
Until it's
Done.
set.
Ah,
Until it's set.
that's
I like
just
your
with the
style.
ingredients.
Again,
That's
I've
just
never
what the
done
recipe
this
was.
Yeah, we haven't either. But we will post this apparently easy recipe on
Yeah.
our website, gameob.com/greatday. We will continue monitoring this. We have about 15 seconds left.
Yep.
And then we will put them together in a commercial break.
And we were gonna go above and beyond too, right? Because we were gonna put little candy sprinkles on top of it.
Apparently, we put in too much milk.
Oh.
Was that okay?
Oh.
So we were supposed to only
That's
use
what
that
I
much
thought.
milk, but instead we used the whole bottle.
So funny story, Tarek.
Let's check this
That's what
out.
I thought.
We were supposed to use this much milk, and we used yeah.
So funny story.
Yeah. So
Maybe you
that
can
would
pour
probably
some out
explain why
first.
it's not.
Yeah, we'll pour that out first.
Maybe pour
Good
some out
idea.
first. Tarek,
might
you know, you're great,
Well,
but
that-
where were you 3 minutes ago?
Yeah.
I said I think that's the milk.
You
Yeah.
did say that.
Well, we could have used that earlier. But how about some caramel milk
Yeah.
to drink as you head out? Oh my.
Delicious.